Welcome to second day of grammar. Today we will discuss the subject verb agreement. Listen. Rule 6. If a clause separates the subject from a verb. So listen, all the books which have been placed on the table are mine. Here all the books, if we see the word table, we can agree the table is, but R is here, so that why R is used? R is used because it is agreed looking at the books. All the books are, the table is, so we agree seeing the books. So which have been placed on the table, it is clause. It separates the subject from verb. Which one is subject? All the books. R is finite verb, name verb. So from subject to verb, which is separated, subject and verb of the sentence is separated by the clause. Which one is the clause? Which have been placed on the table. If a clause separates the subject and a verb, that means our agreement, verb agreement is done accordingly the subject. All the books are. Then the radio which you gave my children works perfectly. If we look at children, that means children walk. Radio works. The simple sentence is the radio works perfectly. Here the subject, the radio, and the verb works. The subject radio and the verb works are separated by the clause which you gave my children. So if a clause separates the subject from verb, the verb agreement is accordingly done by the subject. Rule 7. If a subject begins with either of, neither of, either of, neither of, none of, each of, that means followed by a plural noun. The verb is singular. Look at the example. Either of the boys. Either of is followed by the plural noun. Boys is plural noun. So agreement is singular agreement. If we see boys, that means boys have. Either of the boys means singular agreement. Neither of the boys, singular agreement. The boys have. Neither of them, neither of is used, so singular agreement. None of the students, here the students is plural. If we see students, the students have, but none of the students has, singular agreement. So if the sentence begins with either of, neither of, none of, and followed by a plural noun, verb agreement is singular. Next, each of, one of also takes singular verbs. Each of the students, each of also follows the plural nouns, singular agreement. One of the girls, among the girls, one. Among the students, each one. Each individually it is told. So that each of the students was. The students were, each of the students was. Singular agreement. Why? Each of, one of, either of, neither of, none of, if follows the plural noun, plural subject, plural noun, verb is singular agreement. Then if no and some is followed by singular noun, singular agreement is done. Plural noun, plural agreement is done. No child, singular agreement has. No children, plural agreement have. If no and some followed by a singular noun, singular agreement is done, used. followed by a plural noun, some girls. Girls is plural, some girls have. Some water is uncountable noun, is singular agreement. Some water is left in the pot. Okay, so next, the Vice President of India and the Chairman of Rajya Sabha, they are one person. The Vice President of India is the Chairman of Rajya Sabha. One person, two designation. What are the two designation? Vice President and Chairman are the designation. One person, two designation agreement is singular, has. Here the cannot be used. If the is used, that means the chairman. If we write the chairman here, that means two persons, two designation. The is not used, that means one person, two designation. So in case of one person, two designation, singular agreement has is used. If the is written here, if we write the Vice President of India and the Chairman of Rajya Sabha, that means we can use have. Look at the second sentence. The Vice President of India and the Chancellor of University. Two designations are there. What are the designations? The Vice President, Chancellor of University. Then persons are two, so that agreement is where. So next, 8 number, rule 8. If the subject begins with a fraction 2/3, 3/4, 5/6, 2/3 of the acid, has singular agreement. If the subject begins with a fraction, singular agreement is used. Rule 9. If the subject begins with a good deal of, a plenty of, most of, some of, verb is used, agreed, accordingly the head noun of the subject. A lot of people were, agreed. A lot of money was, money is uncountable noun, a lot of money was. Some of the students were, plural noun, plural agreement, singular noun, singular agreement, uncountable noun, singular agreement. Then collective noun, if the sentence, if the noun, head noun begins or used followed by a collective noun. A people were, a crowd of people was. Elephants were, a herd of elephants were, because herd is a collective noun. It is refers to one group. Smugglers were, a group of smugglers was. Then a number of children, plural agreement. After a number of, if plural noun is there, plural agreement. After the number of, if a plural noun followed by the number of, singular agreement. If a plural noun followed by a number of, we use plural agreement. So a number of children are, the number of children is. Got my point? So here, if a plural noun is followed by a number of, plural agreement is done, used. If a plural noun followed by the number of, singular agreement is used. Then the last one, statistics, mathematics, physics, economics, moms, measles, news, advice, information, jewelry, scenery. These are uncountable nouns, and for uncountable nouns, singular agreement is used. Physics is, measures is, the news was, no information is, economics is, statistics is. So these are all about the second part of subject verb agreement. You have to do the activity to accordingly the rules. In the next classes we have to go to the third scene of subject verb agreement. Bande Mataram.